Hi, Mika here from Super Chat, and in this quick tutorial we will take a look at campaigns, and in particular if you are one of the very loyal customers that has been with Super Chat for a while, you still see the sidebar here on the left hand side. For new customers, they don't see it anymore because all of this can now be done a lot better, a lot nicer with our automation feature. That's the reason why we said, hey, it doesn't really make sense anymore to have this, because it's a little bit confusing because we have it here, but it's kind of the same thing that you can also do with our automation feature. That's the reason why we got rid of it for new customers. Don't you worry, like for you it will stay there. But this video will cover how easy it is for you to also kind of migrate to the new way of doing it in SuperChat. So if you already using SuperChat campaigns, and especially like our opt-in methods, again, opt-in methods are used to kind of get subscribers for your WhatsApp newsletter, then this video will show you how we can kind of, first of all, migrate all your existing subscribers, and then also how to kind of start using automations instead of these opt-in methods. And then I will also show you why this is so much more powerful. Exactly, as always, let's get right into it. So really quick, opt-in methods are kind of the only thing that they are doing is basically, it's kind of like an automation. Once the user sent you a specific keyword, we will send the contact opt-in or opt-out confirmation, and then we store that this contact has actually subscribed and to which opt-in method. Now, instead of using these opt-in methods, what we can very easily do is go into automations, click on new automation, and then use this automation template gallery, this automation template, which is called WhatsApp Newsletter Opt-in Manager. And this does exactly the same. So what I just showed to you in the opt-in methods, this does exactly the same. So how does it work? So all you kind of need to do here is, here we are working with the QR code link clicked trigger. Here you're now selecting the WhatsApp number that you want to use for this opt-in, and then also like this should also be the same WhatsApp number that you're later going to use to send out the campaigns. And then here, as you can see, it's the same thing as with the opt-in methods. You have a keyword for subscribing and you have an unsubscribe keyword. And then we automatically generate the QR code and the link for you so that you can very easily, announce your WhatsApp newsletter with your contacts, with your leads. And then what this does is basically by scanning the QR code or clicking on the link, both do the same thing. They will redirect you on the phone to WhatsApp, to this number. And in the conversation, this keyword, this subscribe keyword, is already pre-filled. Then all the contact needs to do is send this keyword, and then automatically we will go this path with subscription. So if the contact subscribes, we will send out the opt-in confirmation here saying, hey, you've successfully opted in. And then we now need to add the contact to a contact list that we can later use before sending out the campaign to say, hey, filter all the recipients and give me all the contacts in that contact list. And now I want to send all of these contacts like promotional messages. So that we can do very easily. I already created like a contact list here. So here, what will happen again is the user clicks on the link, scans the QR code, or just sends you the word subscribe. Then we go this path, we send them this message, and then we will add the contact to a contact list. Now we do have to do the other way around. If the contact sends you unsubscribe, so he wants to unsubscribe from your WhatsApp newsletter, then we will go this path. Here, opt-out confirmation again, and then we now have to remove the contact from the same contact list that we use above. That's it. Now we can set this live. And now it's up and running. Now if I send this QR code, all it does is really just like redirect me to WhatsApp, to this particular conversation like number, and then the keyword is already pre-filled, as you can see here. Subscribe, and now all I need to do is send it, and now this automation is triggered, and I'm now being added to the contact list. The same would happen with unsubscribing. Exactly. So this kind of already replaces your opt-in methods that you're currently using. So all you need to do is really like only implement this small automation, and then also disable your opt-in methods. Otherwise, both would be triggered at the same time. Please keep that in mind. And now here we can look what happened. So I myself subscribed. The opt-in confirmation was sent out. And then if we now look at the contact list, I also was successfully added to the WhatsApp opt-in contact list, which we specified in the automation. So nice. Now the rest is kind of very straightforward. Now if you want to send out a campaign, all you need to do is create a campaign, pick your WhatsApp template, select recipients, filter for the contact list that we are using for storing these opt-ins. So here we use this one. Now I can select all the recipients and send out the campaign from here. Even easier, you also have access to them via contacts. So now if you go to contacts, you can look for the contact list here, click on here, and then you can also always see right away how many contacts are actually in that list. Click select all, send WhatsApp message, and this will open the campaign viewer with all the recipients already pre-selected, and then you can really send out your campaign within a couple of clicks. Nice. So this is kind of all you need to know. The last thing that's of course still very relevant for you is how do I now first of all also get analytics that we can cover first. Instead of having these analytics then anymore, you can just go to analytics, contact lists, and filter for the list that we want to take a look at. In our case, WhatsApp opt-in contact list. And then here you can see exactly like how many people were added, removed in the time period, the total number of people in that list. And that's pretty much it. Exactly. That's that. Last but not least, you might ask the question now, hey, but I already have a lot of people that opted in. While I was still using like the old method of using the opt-in methods, how can I now kind of get them into the new list? That's also kind of easy. All you need to do is go to contacts, and now here you can just filter, for example, by opt-in method, and then here, not sure if I'm subscribed anywhere. I think I am subscribed here, and then you can just filter, click here. I'm also the only one here. This is like opt-in method out of the box. I'm also the only one subscribed there. Might be a little bit confusing now, but all I now need to do is basically select them here, filter by them, select all of them, and just then add them to the new list in one click, and that's it. Exactly. That's it. I think, yeah, that's it. I hope this helps. If there are any more questions, please always feel free to support our live chat. And yeah, hopefully see you soon. Greetings from Berlin. Bye-bye.